Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson of learning English with Mr. Ishwar. For today, we will be looking at adverbs of frequency. The adverbs of frequency that we will be looking at today would be always, usually, sometimes, and never. So let's look at what is meant by these adverbs of frequency. Let's look at the first one, always. Always refers to activities that you do every day. For example, every day you wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So you can say, I always wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The second adverb of frequency is usually. It refers to activities that you do at least 4 to 5 times a week. For example, during school days, you usually does your homework at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But during weekends, you do not do your homework in the afternoon. So, you will say, I usually do my homework 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The third one is sometimes, referring to activities that you do at least 2 to 3 times a week, or maybe even once. For example, sometimes you will help your mother to wash the dishes. So, I sometimes help my mother to wash the dishes. The last one would be never, activities that you do not do at all. For example, you do not wash your own clothes. Therefore, your sentence would be, I never wash my own clothes. Now let's look at examples of sentences that you can use using this adverb of frequency, always, usually, sometimes, and never. For always, Lily always does her homework after school. The second sentence would be Pablo always sleeps at 9 p.m. The third sentence would be Greg always eats breakfast every morning. The second adverb of frequency is usually. Megan usually sleeps at 8 p.m. Pablo usually does his homework at 3 p.m. Greg usually plays computer games in the evenings. The third adverb of frequency is sometimes. Megan sometimes plays computer games. Pablo sometimes sleeps in the afternoon. Greg sometimes plays football with his friends. The last adverb of frequency is never. Megan never plays chess. Pablo never goes ice skating after school. Greg never eats his dinner at 7 p.m. So, for this lesson, we have looked at 4 adverbs of frequency, which are always, usually, sometimes, and never. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.